What is weighing you down? Who is telling you that you can make it? Who is telling you that you can't go to the top? What is there going to the top? You can start the journey even today. Those who have gone halfway may be stuck, but you don't know. They may be stuck waiting for people who are accompanying them to the top. They are waiting for you. Are you super glued in that seat you are sitting? Why can't you leave your comfort zone? Why can't you make the hard choices so you can move forward, so you can go to the next level? What is stopping you? Is it comfort? Is it friends? I mean, what? What is stopping you from making that hard choice of moving forward, moving ahead, leaving that place you think without it you cannot survive, leaving that set of people who think without them you cannot move forward, leaving that set of group who think that if they don't feed you, you cannot be fed? A lot of people have made it without anybody assisting them. You don't have any reason to say because my uncle doesn't do this, because my daddy didn't do that, because my mommy didn't support me, I don't have anything to start with. You have lots of things to start with. You can make it on your own. A graduate, you are holding your certificate, you think the government will come to your house and give you a job. Nonsense. Nobody will come to your house and give you a job. Step out of your house. Move out of your house. If you don't get a job, create a job for yourself. Many people who are keke riders, they are big entrepreneurs, but you don't know. You enter their keke from junction to junction, you give them 15 naira and call them poor people. They are not poor. Most of them control buses. They run from Lagos to Abuja, Abuja to Benin, Benin to Owerri, Owerri to Port Harcourt. They are entrepreneurs. They go to work at any time they want. They decide not to go to work. They are in charge. They make thousands of money. Better, bigger than those who are wearing collars, those who are wearing ties every day, wearing suits, and you think those people are making money. You are sending your CVs to different offices, sitting in your house thinking that a job will come. Go out and create a job for yourself. There are lots of things you can do for yourself, for your development, for the development of your society. You can create job, employ yourself, employ people. When people start doing business, people may laugh at you. You can start from scratch. Who says you can't make it when you start from scratch? An opportunity may come and you pick that's your certificate you are holding, then move forward. But do not rely on your certificate. Your certificate is no food. Your certificate cannot give you food. You can't take your certificate to the bank and get food. It's ridiculous how Nigerian youths will move from Nigeria, go to the UK, and be those who have first class and second class upper. They will be comfortable serving as chef in the UK. But they laugh at people who do those kind of works in Nigeria. And they pay severely. They pay for their rent. They pay virtually for everything. They pay for security. In Nigeria, you can make money. You can make money in any part of Nigeria. Just be determined. Have what you want to do. Have a well-planned goal. Have a target. Push towards your target. Overcome challenges. Of course, challenges will come. Disappointments will come. But your ability to overcome them makes you ready for the success which you are pushing for. A lot of people have made that money you are looking for, but they couldn't manage it very well because they didn't have plan how to manage it. They didn't have any plan of investing those money with. You may have 200,000 naira in your account and you think you need 2 million to start up a business. That 200,000 can be turned into 1 million in weeks, months. depends on what you want. The money you use in clubbing every weekend, many people who are working in banks, many people who are wearing ties don't make that amount of money in a month. But you relax and say you don't have no job, that you are not employed, the government doesn't care for us, that you want this, you want that. But the one you already have, what are you doing with it? It is time for you to have a rethink. Have a rethink. Right? The resources you have, that small, little resources. If you start little, you can make it big. The Bible even says, do not despise the days of your little beginning. But you want to get to the top, but you don't want to start from low. Those who are top don't want anybody from low to meet them there. They want to go higher. So you must set aside every distraction, every detractor, and push forward. Push forward. You can make it. You can make it. Push forward. I hope this message will help you in your push for greatness. Thank you very much.